Hi there! Would you believe that these gemstones were made using plastic bottles?
Impossible!
No, it's true! And you can make your own. So let me show you what you will need. Alright, we're gonna use the same method as in this video I made, which is cutting off the bottom of a bottle using the magic of scissors. Nail scissors are a personal recommendation of mine. So basically it already has the shape of a gemstone, you just need to cut it so it looks symmetrical from above and flat on the back. Next, take a hot glue stick and some scissors and cut off small pieces like this, which will fly all across your room. Cut those ones into even smaller pieces, and even smaller ones, and even smaller ones, until you have a nice collection of different sizes. Now take any school glue and put some inside the plastic piece. Then add the bigger crystals and push them in place with a toothpick. Make sure that nothing sticks out on the back side, and leave this area for the smaller pieces. Let that dry for a few minutes. Then add more glue to the edge and add the tiny pieces. Continue until everything is covered. Again, try to make the backside as flat as possible. When that has dried, your gemstone is done. To make gems in different colors, you can either use colorful bottles or you color the crystal pieces, which I already showed in this video, but let me show you an even better method I found. Take a felt tip pen or a fine liner that's not permanent and use a surface that the pen doesn't stick to, like plastic, aluminum foil, glass, etc. Then paint on it to get some ink on there. Pour a little glue on it and stir the mixture. Then throw in the crystal pieces and cover them in the glue. Spread everything out and let it dry. And look at the nice color you get. Did you notice that the color changed? That also happened with this violet fine liner, which turned into this really neon pink that looks like a toxic substance or something. But it's totally safe, I think. You can also mix colors, which is quite useful. Lastly, if you want to make a pendant, just poke a hole into the plastic with a map tack before you add the crystals and leave some space for a jump ring. Now you can make jewelry or keychains. So I hope you liked this idea, and here are some more shiny things you can make. See you soon!